welcome to RollerSkillz. My name is Danielle Lockwood and I'm a professional roller skater, creator and coach. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a little trick to get your backward skate going. I call this the Smiley Face Technique. My Smiley Face Technique consists of 3 motions. We have the smiley face, an inversion and a transference of weight. I'm going to show you the result first so that you know what we're working towards, and hopefully it's going to give you a really nice backward skate like this. And just make sure that you are definitely aware of your surroundings when you are skating backwards. You can always take a little look over your shoulder, try not to look down. I know it's hard, but it's always best to keep your focus up. As always, we're gonna start in that home base position. You're gonna keep those knees nice and bent for me. I need you to imagine that you have a little smiley face on the inside of your heel. What you're gonna do is you're actually gonna keep your toe wheels on the floor. So if any of you don't really like picking your feet up off of the floor, this is perfect for you because you get to keep your toes connected to the floor. So you're gonna swivel on your toe wheels and you're gonna show your smiley face forwards to your audience, whoever they may be. From there, you're gonna invert the same leg, making sure that you stay on those toe wheels, just swivel on the toe wheels, invert it so that it's pointing diagonally towards the opposite direction of that leg. You're then gonna transfer your weight onto it, and if you feel a little bit of a roll, you're gonna let that happen. From there, you do it on the other side. So you have your weight now on this side, which means that this one is free to swivel, show the smiley face forwards, you invert it, and then you transfer and let the little roll happen. So here we go. Let's try that just a little bit faster. So we've got the smiley face, the invert, transfer, smiley, invert, transfer. Definitely make sure that you transfer before you show the smiley. And also, if I do it to the side, just so that you can see, I'm really taking it forwards. Every single time that smiley face is going forwards. You never want to reach backwards. When I say reach backwards, I mean like this. Do you see? And then you're constantly chasing it and it's really hard to transfer your weight onto it. So try and think more sideways rather than even trying to go backwards, and that will help you so much. One last thing I'm gonna add on for you is to get your hips involved. So we've got the smiley, invert. When you transfer, really think about taking your hips that way. Smiley, invert, take your hips as you transfer. Once you're comfortable with the steps, you want to try and blend those motions together. So each one blends into the next, and then you get this really nice, gorgeous flow from side to side. And you can work on speed and experiment with that whenever you feel ready to. If possible, when you're starting, try and think about staying underneath your ceiling, just so that all of that good energy goes into the floor rather than being released by bouncing up and down. We don't want that to start with. Once you're a little bit more comfortable, then you can ease off and you can again get a little bit of like a wavy type of rhythm with it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's helped you to unlock your backward skate. Don't forget, this is only one technique when it comes to backward skating. So watch out for more of my videos. I'm sure at some point I will do another backwards video because backward skating is actually my favorite. A little fun fact there if you didn't already know. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you to unlock your backward skate. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe and share. As always, please stay up to date on my socials. I am most active on there. Don't forget, I do have online classes and tutorials over on the Patreon. I will link it below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all more than you can possibly know. I will see you on the next one.